Hello everyone, this is Junesh Shah from Solar Energy International Magazine. We are at the REI 2025, the first day of the show, and we are with Mr. Harindra Tomar from SunGrow. They are the biggest inverter providers in India right now, with a capacity of around 10 gigawatt. Now they are also foraying into base business. So is
Hi everyone. As all of you know that the SunGrow is the leader in the power sector company, specifically in the solar inverter and now aggressively focusing on battery energy storage system. SunGrow already been in India since 2014 and completed a big milestone of 50 gigawatt of inverter supply in India. Now onwards, we are also focusing on battery energy storage system, catering majorly utility segment and CNI segment. Utility segment product you can see here. This is the 5 megawatt hour battery container, and the PCS is inbuilt in that battery container.
Okay.
So we are offering a way ahead technology to other competitor where our PCS is inbuilt. No separate outdoor PCS is required for battery energy storage system. So that will reflect in the BOS saving for the customer.
okay.
Also for CNI segment, we are focusing on the smaller size of BESS products. This is 125 by 250 kilowatt hour of battery energy storage system, which will cater the commercial and industrial requirement of storage.
So how do you see the best market of India flourishing in the next 2 years?
Yeah, that is very promising. As you see in last 1 year that many of the utility scale project has been gone in execution phase, and many of the tender is now going to be awarded and already been awarded or being awarded in this year. So we are seeing a huge market and huge supply and demand in the
Okay.
market.
So your focus segments is in utilities, CNI, residential.
As of now, utility and CNI.
Okay then. Thank you so much, Mr. Tomar.